Namaskara. Presenting her 8th consecutive union budget, Honorable Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman announced changes in income tax slabs and rates under the new tax regime. The biggest one was that people earning up to 12 lakhs rupees no tax. We have summarized frequently asked questions for you on the latest income tax slabs FY 2025-26. Here at aage.com, stay tuned. Who is not required to pay income tax under the new tax regime? The tax-free income limit for salaried individuals and pensioners has been raised to 12 lakh rupees per annum under the new tax regime. What are the revised tax slabs under the new tax regime for FY 2025-26? Will the revised tax slabs apply to all types of income? Yes. New tax regime not only for salaried or pensioners, it is also applicable for business income, other than capital gains and other special transaction. Do I still need to file an income tax return, ITR, if my income is below 12 lakh rupees? Yes. Even if no tax is payable, individuals must file their ITR if their income exceeds the basic exemption limit of 4 lakh rupees. Do the revised tax slabs and rates apply to ITR filing for FY 2024-25? No. The revised tax slabs and rates announced in Budget 2025-26 will be applicable for financial year 2025-26, which corresponds to assessment year 2026-27. Has there been any change in the old tax regime? No, the old tax regime remains unchanged. However, taxpayers still have the option to choose between the old and new tax regimes. The new tax regime has been the default since financial year 2023-24. What is the standard deduction under both tax regimes? The standard deduction remains 75,000 rupees under the new tax regime, 50,000 rupees under the old tax regime. What is the new deadline to file updated ITRs? The government has extended the deadline to file updated ITRs from 2 years to 4 years. What are the key takeaways from Budget 2025-26 regarding income tax? Tax-free income limit raised to 12 lakhs rupees. Revised tax slabs in the new regime reduce tax liability. No change in the old tax regime. Option to switch between the old and new regimes continues. Extended deadline for filing updated ITRs to 4 years. Stay tuned with aage.com for more updates.